In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Drive for Desktop on your computer and ensure your important files are safely backed up. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need to head over to your preferred web browser and search for Google Drive Download. This should lead you to the official Google Drive website where you can find the Download Drive for Desktop option. Once you're there, simply click on that download button to start the process. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. It's important to ensure that you're signed in with the correct account where you wish to back up your files, so take a moment to verify that. Once the download is complete, open the installation file and follow the prompts to install Google Drive on your computer. After installation, start the app and you should see the Google Drive icon in your system tray or desktop area, depending on your operating system. Now go ahead and click on that icon, which will bring up the app interface. Next, we're going to dive into some settings to set up your backup preferences. Look for the gear icon, which is your settings, usually found in the app interface. Click on it and navigate to preferences. Here you'll see a section labeled My Computer. This is where you can choose the specific folders you wish to back up. For most users, this will typically include folders like desktop, documents, and pictures, but feel free to select any other folders that are important to you. After selecting the folders, it's time to decide how you'd like those files to be backed up. Google Drive offers two methods: stream files and mirror files. If you choose the stream files option, your files will be stored online but can be accessed on demand, which is great if you're looking to save space on your local storage while still having everything available when you need it. On the other hand, the mirror files option keeps duplicate copies of your files both on the cloud and locally on your computer. This can be useful if you prefer having instant offline access to all your files, but keep in mind that this method will use more of your computer's storage space. Once you've made your choice, click Save to finalize your settings, and the syncing process will begin, ensuring your files are safely stored on Google Drive. And that's it. With these simple steps, you have successfully set up Google Drive for desktop, and your files will now be backed up automatically, giving you peace of mind knowing they're secure and accessible from anywhere.